Woman held up and shot in the face. Two farmers arrested in connection with the case. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives in St. Ann have charged two farmers following the wounding of a woman during a robbery attempt in Mines District in the parish on Saturday, March the 19th. Charged with wounding with intent and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, assault, intent to rob, and conspiracy are 28-year-old Jason Ricketts of Galetown, Clarendon, and 31-year-old Clyde Davis of Borough Bridge District in Cave Valley, St. Ann. Reports are that at around 11 p.m., a woman was driving an Audi motor car when she was signaled to stop by the men who were driving a Honda motor car. She was ordered at gunpoint to exit her vehicle, but she refused and was shot in the face. After being shot, the female sped off in her motor vehicle and was assisted to the hospital by residents where she was treated. Davis and Ricketts were arrested during an operation in Broadstown, St. Anne's on Monday, March 21st. Davis gave a caution statement and Ricketts was pointed out in an identification parade. Both men were charged on Sunday, March the 3rd following interviews by the police. Their court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.